Deep within the thick jungle, a clever monkey and a wise rabbit formed an unlikely friendship. When a severe drought struck their home, the two friends banded together to search for food. The quick monkey skillfully climbed towering trees, plucking juicy fruits while the nimble rabbit dug up tender plants and roots from the ground. They would meet at the end of each day, sharing their bounties and feasting on delicious mangoes from a nearby tree and crisp carrots from a secret patch. Despite the harsh conditions, their teamwork and unwavering friendship not only kept them alive but allowed them to thrive. They laughed and played under the shade of the mango tree, grateful for each other's company. As they continued to conquer the challenges of the jungle, their bond grew stronger and their happiness knew no bounds.